Porn. Guys, medyo mahaba ito if you want to. Kasi I think the debate has ended, but I think the issue is worthy of conversation.
People are chipping in doon sa information database na meron doon sa topic. People are sharing their wisdom. People are researching. People are arguing. Ano pang mahihiling ko doon? That's one step closer sa pagiging mas matalino ng mga Pilipino, mas improved version nila. Well, at the cost of just me appearing to lose on a debate. I'm happy to lose again. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Pag-usapan natin to!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Sa porn, hindi ka naman nakakita ng porn kung saan, napaka-sexy nitong babae. Nakatakip siya mula leeg hanggang dulo ng paa. Hindi, di ba? What do they market? They market nakedness. Women market nakedness. In other countries, being an adult entertainer makes a lot of money.
And that is exactly why most of women go through the process of sexualizing themselves because of the perks ng pagpapasexy. Hindi nila aaminin yon kasi nga being sexy comes with a price. But what they want right now out of sexualization ng sarili nila is all the perks but not the responsibility behind it. Gusto nila ng pera, gifts, attention, fame, so on and so forth, but they never want the attraction of the unwanteds. Yung mga pangit, mahihirap, walang ibibigay kapalit ng kaseksiyan nila, so on and so forth. But that's just them. Tingin nila hindi nakikita nung ibang tao yung ganong klaseng technique ng mga babae when it comes sa pagpapaseksi. Ang nakakatawa lang dito kasi, pag sa public, binabastos sila, nagagalit sila, but pag binastos ka sa OnlyFans at bayad ka, they are more than willing. See the difference there? Sexuality intertwines with a lot of concepts sa buhay ng tao. Andyan na yung relasyon, pag-aasawa, attraction, psychology, so on and so forth, and even motivation. But as I love to tackle all of those, napakarami. But the good thing is gising yung mga tao, alam na nila kung paano magsaliksik at alam na nila kung paano makinig, and it's up to you guys to continue this awesome debate. And this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.